Alright, Sean here with Gnome Outdoors. I got the LEDs from Custom Dynamics installed and the brake light installed. Told you I'd let you know what that looks like. Everything's looking awesome. Very bright. I love how they look, love how they work. They're very easy to install. We'll go around the back and I'll show you the rear turn signals and rear tail light. Got a headlight coming. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And then I've also got LEDs for under the bike, but I'll put those on after I get a new carb and I'll show you what those look like. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.